Introducing the MoreLock Triple Series Yeti 35 Plus Dual Packout Wings, designed to fit the Can-Am X3, Polaris Ranger 1500, and Ranger 1000, with more machines coming soon. If you're looking for a way to lock down your Yeti 35 and also secure your tools, we have the perfect solution. Meet the MoreLock Triple Series, a Yeti 35 mount with optional dual packout wings. Select your machine-specific Yeti 35 base, then add the dual packout mounts now or later. If you don't want packout mounts, you can just get the Yeti mount system. 3D scanned feet holes drop your Yeti 35 in with zero wiggle. Built from 1/8-inch steel with a black powder coat, it's trail tough and quiet. Our quick removable anchors let you pull just the cooler in just seconds. These mounts use factory mounting points, which means no drilling, no cutting. All stainless hardware and anchors are also included. Designed and made in the USA, backed by a lifetime warranty, and a 15-minute install with basic hand tools. You get the machine-specific Yeti 35 mount, 2 steel tie hooks, anchors, and all base hardware. Don't forget to add on the dual packout mounts when adding to cart. Installation will reuse your factory bed bolts on most machines. Build your Triple Series today. Start with the Yeti 35 base, then add packout wings when you're ready. This is the mount only. Cooler and packouts are not included. Get yours today at rusoffroad.com.